Hey traders, in today's video we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot some of the most common issues you might face with a MetaTrader 5 trading platform, also known as MT5. If your charts freeze, prices stop updating, or you keep seeing no connection, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Before we start troubleshooting, let's quickly recap what MT5 actually is. MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular trading platforms used by traders all over the world. It's the upgraded version of MT4 and was developed by MetaQuote software. MT5 supports not only Forex, but also commodities, futures, and equities. It offers powerful charting tools, a customizable interface, and automated trading through expert advisors, also known as EAs. Even though MT5 is powerful, users sometimes run into issues. The good news is that most of these problems can be solved easily. Let's start with one of the most common ones: connection issues. Sometimes you might see messages like no connection or invalid account. This usually means there's a problem with your internet or server connection. To fix it, first check your internet connection by opening a web page to make sure you're online. If that's fine, try logging in again. Go to File, then log in to Trade Account, and re-enter your details. If you're using multiple servers, make sure you've selected the right one for your account or broker. Another common issue is when prices start lagging or charts stop updating. This can be really frustrating, especially during live trading. To fix it, right-click anywhere in the Market Watch window and choose Refresh. This reconnects you to the server. Also, check that the auto scroll and chart shift buttons are active in the toolbar so your charts stay updated automatically. Sometimes you might notice that some trading instruments or symbols are missing from your Market Watch list. To fix this, just right-click inside Market Watch and select Show All. That will reveal all available instruments. If something is still missing, contact your broker. They might restrict or customize what instruments are available. Another problem traders face is when trade orders get rejected or not processed. This usually happens when trading permissions or margin requirements aren't met. Make sure the market you're trading is open and active. Also, double-check your account balance to ensure you have enough margin for the trade. If your MT5 platform suddenly freezes or crashes, don't panic. Start by restarting the platform. That usually clears small bugs. If it keeps happening, check whether your MT5 is up to date. Running an outdated version can cause performance issues. You should also make sure your computer meets the system requirements and that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes expert advisors or indicators might not work as expected. To find out what's wrong, check the experts and journal tabs at the bottom of the platform. They'll usually show any error messages. You can also double-check the EA settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. If the issue continues, try updating or reinstalling the EA, and if you're using EAs regularly, consider using a VPS to keep them running smoothly. Finally, if you're experiencing any graphical or display problems like distorted charts or missing visuals, right-click on the chart, choose Properties, and click Reset to Default. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause display issues. And that's it. With these simple troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix most of the common problems on MT5. If you still can't solve the issue, you can always contact your broker support team or check MT5 user forums for help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more trading tutorials.